Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp video call not working. After iOS 17.3 update, the release of iOS 17 brings many new features and improvements. However, as with any major software update, it's not uncommon for users to encounter various glitches and issues post installation. One such issue that has been reported for many iPhone users is WhatsApp video call not working after iOS 17.3 update. If you have recently updated your iPhone to the latest iOS and are facing difficulties with making or receiving video calls on WhatsApp, you are not alone. This video will guide you how to fix WhatsApp video call not working on your iPhone. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is ensure camera and microphone permissions are granted. Without camera access, you can't make video calls to your contacts. Microphone access is also necessary for both video and voice calls. For this, go to Settings app and then scroll down and then tap on WhatsApp. You will see a list of permissions. Make sure the toggle next to camera and microphone are enabled. If not, tap toggles to allow WhatsApp to access your camera and microphone. And you are done. Within WhatsApp, you can also check for permissions when you try to use a feature that requires camera or microphone access within WhatsApp. For this, open WhatsApp. Try to make a video call or record a voice message. If permission is needed, WhatsApp will prompt you with a message asking for camera or microphone access. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. And you are done. And the next step is force quiet and reopen WhatsApp. Force quieting and reopening WhatsApp is a quick and easy action that doesn't require much technical knowledge. For this, swipe up from the very bottom of the screen and pause slightly in the middle of the screen. Swipe right or left to find the WhatsApp app. Swipe up on the WhatsApp app to preview, to close it. Wait for a while and then launch the WhatsApp on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is check for WhatsApp updates. Updating WhatsApp can solve existing bugs and glitches. To check for a WhatsApp update, go to the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on the search tab at the bottom of the screen and then search for WhatsApp. When the WhatsApp app page opens, you will see an update button if an update is available, and if the app is up to date, you will see an open O button instead, and you are done. And the next step is reinstall WhatsApp. Just find WhatsApp on your iPhone home screen, long press it and select remove app from the pop-up option menu. Next, tap on delete tab and then tap on delete again to confirm, and then download it from the App Store. Once reinstalled, proceed to restore your chat history from the backup you created and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. You will be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm the action. Your iPhone will take a moment to reset the network settings and it will reboot in the process. Once your iPhone restarts, all network settings will be restored to the factory defaults and you are done. After the reset, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and reconfigure any other custom network settings you had in place. Then check to see if WhatsApp video call not working issue has been resolved after the reset and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of WhatsApp video call not working after iOS 17.3 update. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.